Today, I'm going to hit on Gwen. You're hot.
Thanks.
Hot 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 hot.
Oh no. My breasts are starting to grow so huge. Lindsay, help me. Wah 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 wah.
Gwen, are you okay?
Dudley puppy just hated on me by rubbing my breasts.
Dudley puppy, how dare you hit on Gwen? That's it. I am taking you to Snapchat.
So Lindsay, what did my dim-witted dog do this time?
Snapchat. You will not be happy about this. Dudley puppy just hit it on Gwen. And now I have to take her to the hospital thanks to him. Goodbye.
Dudley, how dare you hit on Gwen? That's it. You are grounded for thousands of centuries.
But Snaptrap, I'm very sorry.
I don't give a shit!
Now go to your room right now and sleep forever.
What?